Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're joining me for the very first time, my name is Dorchelle, and today I have for you guys a value furniture review on my feathers sectional. I got this couch probably about a month ago, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of like the reviews and the specs on this couch and like what you should know before buying. I realized that they didn't have a lot of videos of this review on this couch, so I decided that I wanted to do a little review just in case anybody was interested in purchasing this couch. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe because I have a lot of videos that will be surrounding this couch. I'm doing a lot of moving vlogs. I'll link that below, my empty apartment tour and my moving vlog if you guys are interested, so you guys can see how I've been decorating my living space and all of that jazz. So definitely be sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up on this video and comment below if you guys have any questions that I probably didn't cover in this video. If I'm missing anything, definitely be sure to comment down below and let me know if you guys have any questions about this couch and any of the processes. So I'll be going over basically, like I mentioned, the specs on this couch, how I've been liking it, comfortability, the shipping process, and having them deliver it and all that kind of stuff. So I'll be going over all of that, and I'll also be putting in some clips a little bit later on so you guys can see me actually unboxing, and I'll do a little voiceover kind of describing more information on the couch. So yeah, I purchased this couch about a month ago. This is the feathers sectional. I'll be looking at my phone just so I don't miss anything, but this is the feathers sectional by Mario Capassa, and this is from Value Furniture. It comes in two colors. It comes in beige and it comes in gray. I got the beige color, and it also comes in 4 different sizes: an 88 inch, 110 inch, 142 inch, and 170 inch. So it comes in 4 different sizes, and you can either decide if you want a left facing chase or a right facing chase. So this is the sectional, but they also have sofas as well. So if you don't like the sectional style, you can also just get a regular sofa. And again, it comes in those 2 different colors and in a various amount of sizes. So I got the 110 inches, so it's basically like 2 couch seats and then a couch seat with a chase. And I got the right facing chase. If you guys watch my vlog, if you guys watch my next vlog, you guys will see my decision playing out of what kind of chase I wanted to get. But yeah, so basically that was the couch that I got. So one thing to note about this couch, it is a very low sitting couch. It is very low to the ground. I'm actually thinking about putting something underneath it, like legs underneath the legs, to give it some lift, because it is very, very low sitting to the ground. So if you have a lot of guests coming over who will typically be sitting on the couch, it may not be the most comfortable because it is, like I mentioned, very low sitting. But I would say this couch is more of like a lounge kind of couch. So if you plan on like lounging a lot in it, taking naps and all that, this is like a better couch for that. It is very comfy and the seats are very deep. So behind me, you guys can see this is the back pillow. If you remove the back pillow, you get a very, very nice deep couch. But with the pillow, it kind of takes up a lot of the surface area of the seat, so it's not as deep with the back pillow. But if you remove the back pillow, if you have like guests sleeping over, it is a very nice and deep couch for that, because there's a lot of space on the couch area. The fabric also, I'll show you guys the pillow. The pillows are the same fabric as the couch. It's kind of like in this soft chenille, almost like velvety fabric, which is what I was going for with my couch. I didn't want anything like linen or canvas base because that typically tends to pill. So far I haven't had any issues with pilling. However, time to time, the little feathers kind of come out because this is a down-filled couch, so it has real feathers in it. So that typically happens from time to time, but it's nothing crazy. But the only thing with down couches is that you have to typically flip them a lot, especially if you've been sitting in one place for a long time. You have to tend to like fluff them to get that nice bubbly look that you got when you first got it. But this couch came with, I believe, 4 pillows. 3 of the pillows were in this color, and then one of the pillows is in this, like you guys will see, is in this like mustardy kind of color, which I wasn't crazy about, but it's another pillow. You can always switch out the pillow covers because they're removable. Actually, the entire couch is removable. You can remove the entire you can remove all the fabric off the couch to put it in the washing machine, which was definitely a big selling point for me. I really want to take this couch like everywhere that I go, even my forever home. So it's good that you can completely wash this couch, especially since it's a light colored couch. That was really important to me. So you can take everything off and machine wash it, which is amazing. And then anything else you guys should know with the shipping process was actually really great. It is on the pricier side. I believe it's $200 just for standard shipping, which they'll ship your package to the front of your house, and then $300 for them to come into your home and like drop it in the space that you want the couch in. Luckily enough for me, I think I only ended up spending $100 on shipping, and they actually dropped it inside my home. They were like really, really good. The shipping people were fantastic. They offered to just drop it into my house, and of course I wasn't gonna say no. They were really good with coming in, dropping off where I needed it. They were super quick and fast. I think the whole delivery process took like less than 15 minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes. It was so fast, so easy. And they had like all their equipments and stuff. So I would just say, like, I was given a discount code through an agent. Like, I had placed this couch in my basket and an agent reached out, so I was given like a 5% discount, and then I think they also were having like $50 off. So I would just say, if you're interested in this couch, put it in your basket, let it marinate a little bit, because maybe a sales associate will reach out to you to give you a discount, or maybe there'll be a coupon code available for like $50 off like me. But I was really deciding for quite a while, and refreshing, and somehow I got a lower shipping and I got some money off. So yeah, definitely just like keep it in your basket a little bit, because you might like get better deals. But overall, I really love this couch. It is super comfortable. It's really cozy. It's nice to lounge in. I really love it. I think it was worth every penny. It is a very lightweight couch, so if you're moving this by yourself, you should be fine, especially if they're gonna come and drop it to your living space, because it is a pretty light couch. That only concerns me because just durability over the years. I just hope it stands the width of time. Is that the saying? Stands the chance of time, because it is very lightweight. It's not made very complex. So I'm just hoping over the next few years it just, you know, doesn't do anything crazy, because it is a very lightweight couch, I will say that. But it's so easy to assemble. Like I said, one person gets to assemble it themselves. It comes in 2 boxes, and well, mine came in 2 boxes, and it was just like really easy to assemble. And I'll show you guys that soon when you guys see the roll of me putting everything together. But yeah, that's pretty much the initial specs and everything you need to know about this couch. I believe it's 23 inches in height, so again, very low sitting, 110 inches in width, and it's just perfect in my space. The color is very nice and neutral. It's not like too warm, it's not too stark white. It's a really pretty beige color, and I don't know, I love this couch. So I know I've been rambling for quite a bit, but I'm gonna now play me unboxing the couch. You guys can get a little bit more close-up look of the couch. So stay tuned for that, and I'll check in with you guys after. So when the boxes arrived, it arrived in 2 large boxes. One of the boxes had the actual like sofa section, and the other one had the chase. So as you guys can see, I'm unboxing it. It's pretty simple to do by yourself. It does take a bit of pull and tug to get the actual sofa outside of the box, but it came really nicely wrapped and protected in like their logo cover. So it wasn't super hard to take out and assemble. So as you guys can see, I'm struggling just a little bit. But it is very lightweight. Like you guys can see, I can move this whole piece by myself because it's that lightweight. And I unboxed the other side. So I believe this side is the chase side. It's really hard to kind of tell what piece goes where. That's why I was like a little confused. So I think it's better if you flip over the couch like you would sit on it, and then flip it over to then connect it with the hooks. But I'll show you guys what I mean. But yeah, it was not that bad to get out of the boxes. And this is the couch part I'm talking about. I flipped it over like I'm sitting on it, so I knew what side that was, because looking at it from the side, it's a little hard to tell. But it was really comfy, but again, very lightweight. Even as you guys saw as I was sitting, it did move a little bit, so it is very much lightweight. So I'm piecing each part of the couch together. Again, I had to have a little sit on the couch just to see the comfort level. And here's the hook that I was explaining earlier. That's how you connect the chase to the other part of the couch. But it looks really good even when it's not assembled. And here I'm actually just clipping the couch together. It's so easy to assemble this and put together. It's just a few hooks. There was something wrong with my bottom hook, so I was having some difficulties putting it together, but you shouldn't have any difficulties putting it together. But once it's clasped on the bottom, all you do is flip it over, and that's about it. I really love how easy this couch is. Also, the bottom seats are velcroed, so it doesn't shift or move when you're sitting on it. And it's just nice and bubbly and comfy and cozy. It came with 4 pillows. 3 of them match the actual couch, and one of them was like a yellow mustardy color. So you can just play around with it. They're all removable covers, so you have versatility there. And yeah, this couch is really comfortable and nice, but as you guys can see, it is very low sitting. The chase isn't as long, but like I mentioned earlier, if you remove the back pillow, you get a lot more depth. So I love this couch. Alright guys, so that concludes this review and in-depth information on this feather sectional by Mario Capassa from Value Furniture. I will be sure to link the couch that I have in the description box, the exact couch that I have, and I'll probably also link the direct site so you guys can shop their site. But I know there's been mixed reviews. I decided to do this video, like I said, because I haven't seen much reviews on it, and I know in the company there's a lot of mixed reviews, but this is my personal review and I had a really good experience. They also, I didn't mention in the beginning, but they also offered me like a one-time free exchange because I was deciding between left and right chase, and they gave me like 14 days to decide. Like I mentioned, keep your boxes for 14 days if you're planning on exchanging or returning. I do think they take 20% if you do an exchange or return. So just before you buy it, just make sure it's really what you want. But yeah, I absolutely love this couch. I hope it was very informative and you guys got all the information you needed. Like I mentioned, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of like home decor, daily vlogs. If you guys kind of want to see how my place is coming together and how I decorate my living area with this couch, definitely consider subscribing. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you guys have any questions that I didn't cover. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram homepage, Dorchelle's Home. I'll link that below and put it on the screen because I do all my like home decor stuff on my Instagram. I'm probably a little bit more active on there, so definitely follow my home Instagram page as well. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you.